booth at the Harvest Festival and we made fruit noodles. They were delicious and several people asked for the recipe.
Step 1. Cut up your favorite fruit. We used blueberries and strawberries.
Step 2. Add 3 cups of your fruit to a blender. Add a shake or 2 of sugar and then blend it.
Step 3. Pour your blended fruit into a saucepan, then bring it to a boil.
Step 4. Add agar a little at a time, stirring it in until the mixture starts to become firm. Agar is more powerful than gelatin. It comes from a red algae. 1 teaspoon of agar is equal to 8 teaspoons of gelatin. Gels have a viscous property when heated and becoming solid or jelly-like once cooled. Viscous means sticky and thick.
Step 5. Pour into a bowl and then draw it up in a syringe. Then push it out through the tube into the ice bath.
Step 6. The molecules are bonding. The ice bath is a large bowl filled with water and 7 to 10 ice cubes. Your bowl.
Step 7. Now let the tubes harden in the ice bath for 10 to 14 minutes.
Once that process is done, take the tubes out of the water and carefully then get a different and fairly small bowl.
And then, one by one, slowly and carefully push more fruit noodles into our ice bath.
And now you have fruit noodles. We hope you enjoyed them and click the button at the bottom for more videos.
And remember,
Play with your food!
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.